the mass of the empty crucible and lid number from the balance. The mass of crucible, lid, and the hydrate is also the number you record from the balance. I will number this one is first row, second row, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The mass of the hydrate will be the difference between row number 2 and row number 1. The mass of the crucible, lid, and anhydrous salt after 3 heating. These are the numbers from the balance as well. And assume that the value for row number 6 and number 5 should be not much difference. So you will heat until a constant mass. The mass of anhydrous salt, which is the salt left over after you heat the hydrate, this one will be equal to the difference between the row number 6 to the row number 1. And the mass of the water will be the difference between number 2 and row number 6. To calculate the moles of anhydrous salt present, you're going to divide the mass from number 7 divided by the molar mass of the anhydrous salt. The moles of water lost will be equal to the value of the row number 8 divided by the molar mass of water. And to calculate the empirical formula of the hydrate, you will base on the value of 1a and 1b follow from the class lecture. The experimental percent water in the hydrate, this one will calculate how much water you have in your hydrate based on your experimental value. So that will equal to the row number 8 divided by row number 3 multiplied with 100%, and the theoretical percent mass of water in your hydrate based on your proposed formula. After you get the empirical formula of the hydrate, you're going to use this formula to calculate the mass percent of water in the hydrate. We already go over this problem in the class, and the percent error of the percent water will be based on the measure subtracted by expected divided by expected multiplied with 100%. In this case, the measured amount of water will be from the question number 2 subtracted by the mass percent of water from the formula mass, which is from the question number 3, and divided by the value from question number 3 multiplied with 100%.